Hi friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and on this channel you find the hottest offers and the best market prices in the Alicante region for properties. And today I'm showing you our new exclusive listing. An architectural masterpiece built by architects, designed by architects, and for architects. You have 4 floors, a loft-style penthouse apartment on the top of the building. We have a designer studio or an architect's office in the ground floor, or a pilot's room, yoga room. We have a beautiful outlooking terrace with some plants, and as well 2 other different floors with kitchen, bedrooms, and we have no concrete walls in between. So it's like a tunnel in between the buildings. Very interesting, and was, by the way, rewarded as an architecture masterpiece back in 2007 in the exhibition of architects here in Alicante. So a true masterpiece located here in Almuradi, very close to Torrevieja and only 30 minutes away from the Alicante airport. So the city center of Almuradi is close by. We are like 10 minutes away. The street, you always find parking. So it's currently middle of June, and I just parked directly in front of the building. And it is looking even very interesting. It is very different from all the other buildings which are standing here next by. And owners are German, and you will see inside how it is. It is very well done. And now I invite you to follow me to discover this beautiful masterpiece. And before we will start the video, follow Alicante Real Estate. Down below you'll find our website, alicanterealestate.com, and also my phone number. So if you want to buy this property or view it, so that you can do so, contact me and I'll be your agent and your advisor here in Spain. And now follow me inside to this beautiful property today. Let's go. So we have 2 different entries. We have entry number 1, entry number 2. Entry number 2 is going into the office actually from this building. So we have a separated office space, but the office space is connected in between the living space, supposedly to be the house and the property where you live, and the office. So if you have some, if you have employees, other architects, or you want to rent it out as a yoga room, or you're doing something by yourself, you have here completely an independent, completely renovated office space. It's completely new. Okay, we will go in through the property, through the living space, and we're coming in. What we notice directly, the staircase going up to the property itself, and with some rooms in between. So this is connected in between the office. The office is back there. Also, we have here a possibility to make an elevator. So therefore actually they received a payment plan or a price structure to buy actually this elevator for this property, and the cost was around 20,000 euros. So if you want, additionally for 20,000, you can make an elevator which goes up and down in between all 4 floors. Okay, so this is a possibility you have here. And now the office space. Here, the architects used to work from here, from this space, and you see we have a lot of working area. High ceilings. You will see the high ceilings all over the property. We have entry area there. We have even a toilet on the left side here in this room. We have open plan windows. A lot of light is entering, and some plants. It's a nice view to enjoy while working. And this you notice also through when you're here. It is actually very spacious and nice to be here. I think this is perfect for someone who wants to connect living, permanent living, and working life in one property. Okay, so you don't have to buy an office somewhere else. You have here your office space, your yoga room, your pilot's room, your, I don't know, whatever you have in your mind. Okay, this you have here. Opportunities, there are plenty of. There's the other entry, the second entry, so you can come in directly from there. Okay, we will now go to the second floor. So this is, you can put your jackets here, for example. This is your entry. So if you want, you press the button and you come into the space. So this is completely separate, which is a very positive point. And now we go through this door where the toilet is located. So here's the toilet. And here you have the other entry again, so you can close it if you want. So the living space will be completely separated from the, as I said already 3 times, from the walking area. Okay, let's go to the second floor. Okay, the second floor is supposed to be used as a living space. We have the living area here, the terrace. Look at the floors. I mean, everything is very nicely done. It's a townhouse. We are located inside Almuradi, inside the city. So that's why maybe there's some houses in between, but it's very Spanish. You see, it's very Spanish and it's very authentic being here. So this is also a style of a lifestyle you're following of the typical Spanish lifestyle, having a nice, beautiful masterpiece of property where you can live, enjoy your space, enjoy working, and being very close literally to everything here in Almuradi. Almuradi is very Spanish. There are not so many tourists as in Torrevieja or other areas, and it's Spanish gem, I would say. Very good restaurants, and it's actually everything what you need is in Almuradi. Okay, let's go and check out the bedrooms. We have here on this floor the kitchen. Okay, this is the kitchen. Air conditioning obviously is installed. It is by conduct. And here we have the dining area. Kitchen, dining area, and living area. And you can see we have no walls. You can go all around, one time around the complete floor, and it's in every floor the same. Okay, we are going now into the third bedroom, and I want that you guys, before we check out the rest, tell me in the comments what you think about this kind of properties, what's your opinion on that. For me, it's important to know what is your feedback, just to say, look, it's nice, I don't know, anything what you think about this house, write in the comments, and don't forget to like this video. Let's go to the bedroom area. It's actually the first time I'm doing a video in something like this. I mean, I've never seen a property like this. Actually, I didn't even know this is here. And when I was surprised when my colleague told me, look, we have a new exclusive listing. It's very interesting because it was an exhibition, it is nominated. And then I was thinking, yeah, well, I have to go here and make the video for you so you can enjoy together with me this beautiful property. Okay, office space. This is an office space. Here you have no neighbors in front of it because the buildings behind this building are smaller. They're on a lower level. And then we have here the bedroom with ensuite bathroom, and you can leave also from there. You have a fitted-in wardrobe, so this will be your bedroom. Or how my colleague says, where the magic happens. Okay, we have here the toilets or the bathroom. Beside the ensuite bathrooms, we have also a toilet. And here we have the second bedroom. Theoretically, there are only 2 bedrooms, okay? 2 bedrooms, but you can use one of the other spaces, which I'm going to show you now, as a 3rd bedroom or even as a 4-bedroom property. Ensuite bathroom, yeah, the big windows, a lot of light is entering. And yeah, let's go now to the most interesting part, is actually the loft. And the loft has super high ceilings. Let's go. Okay, this is my most favorite part of this entire building, the loft apartment or the loft style property. Balcony, super high ceilings, high windows, a lot of light is entering. Look at the floor, typically done in the loft style. You can make additional office space here, another living area, or if you want, more bedrooms. You have here the possibility to make another bedroom, and you have also a bathroom directly here in this floor. I've never seen properties like that. It is unique. It is something special. And in my opinion, it is worth be shown on our channel because it is beautiful. We wanted to showcase it to you so you can see it. 515,000 euros, the entire building. And it is a masterpiece. And if you like this kind of videos and if you enjoyed viewing us, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give us a like. Down below my Instagram, and you will follow directly me and read about properties, Costa Blanca and also Costa del Sol. We are now opening an office in Costa del Sol in Marbella. Don't forget to follow me. So if you want to invest in Spain, Costa del Sol, Costa Blanca, I'm your partner, and all our agents will be helping you. I see you soon in sunny Spain.